Can I check the balance of my Visa Metabank Debit Card over the phone?
Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to guide you on how to check the balance of your Visa Metabank Debit Card over the phone. It's a quick and easy process that you can do anytime, anywhere.
Why would you need to check your balance over the phone?
In today's digital age, there are many ways to check your card balance. However, sometimes you might not have access to the internet, or perhaps you simply prefer the old-fashioned way of doing things. Whatever your reasons, checking your balance over the phone is a handy tool that's available to you as a Metabank cardholder.
What do you need to prepare?
Before you make the call, you need to make sure you have the necessary details ready. These include 1. Your Visa Metabank Debit Card. You'll need to provide card details. 2. Your personal identification number, PIN. This is for account verification purposes. 3. Phone number of Metabank customer service. This should be listed on the back of your debit card. Having these details at your fingertips will make the process much smoother.
How do you check your balance?
Here's the step-by-step process. 1. Dial the customer service number listed on the back of your card. 2. Listen to the automated instructions. They will guide you through the options available. 3. When prompted, enter your card number and follow it with your PIN for verification. 4. Select the option for Account Balance when it's offered in the menu options. Remember to be patient and listen carefully to the instructions. Once you've entered the required information, your account balance will be provided to you. And that's it. Checking your Visa Metabank debit card balance over the phone is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Remember, this service is available 24/7, so you can check your balance whenever you need to. We hope this guide was helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks like this one. Happy banking!